Okay everyone, today we are at the Lincolnville GO station in Lincolnville at Faster Road and 10th line. And we have a GO train coming. The lights just started up here. This is actually my third time being here. Engine 642. And cab car 353. There it goes. There goes a ramp bend. There was an old cab car in front of a new cab car. And there it goes into a siding. Anyways, let me tell you the history of this crossing a bit. Because of the bells. The equipment here is the Western Color Haze equipment. But the bell is the annoying E-bell that you just heard. Same with the other side. These two crossings used to have two mechanical bells, like one on each side, until they replaced it with these annoying E-bells. I actually have footage of old mechanical bells. So here's the Faster Road crossing. And here's 10th line. So yeah, that's basically what the old mechanical bell sounds like. So anyways, I think that'll be it for me. Thanks again for watching as always. Hope you enjoyed this video. And that will be it.